Hi, I'm Sarah. I'm from New Zealand Herald Travel.
And hi, I'm Ashleigh. I'm the beauty editor here at Viva magazine.
And we know that one of the best things about flying business or first class is the amenity kits that you get. So we decided we're going to haul them all in from different airlines and review them today.
I'm so excited to dive into this. Who's going first?
So first up, we've got kind of the more Pacific brands. We've got Qantas, Fiji Airways and Air New Zealand. So first up we have Air New Zealand. It's only right to begin with Air New Zealand.
Absolutely, love that for us. Now I've already had a sneak peek in here and I'm very impressed with what I found. So lots of the brands in here are local. Aotea being one of them, and I feel like it's always a great opportunity when you're traveling to try some travel size products. But these are actually a full size product as well.
Creams and oils are just crucial on flights, especially the long ones, and you just dry up.
Oh, I know. Good. And I also love multi-purpose products, so they've included one of their kawa balms as well, which is really good on cuticles, on lips. If you're feeling extra dry and dehydrated, this is a really wonderful product. I actually use this all the time. It's a personal favourite.
Very impressive.
Yes.
And the bags are actually, they really go and go and go. I've had one for maybe like 6 months now, and I'm still using it as just like a general bag.
And I feel like having a toothbrush and toothpaste is always essential. I don't know about you, but if I'm getting off a flight, I love to have fresh breath, and so it's so important to brush your teeth before you disembark. What else we've got? Earplugs.
Earplugs, crucial. Now the socks.
Oh my goodness. Way to make a fashion statement.
Oh, it's a lot. It really is a lot.
It is a lot. Yeah, they're very vibrant. I mean, you're not going to lose them in your sock drawer after your flight.
It is the Air New Zealand colours, I will agree. Yeah, it's a statement.
No, this is definitely a great selection of brands. I'd be really happy to take all of these home after my flight and continue to use them. So well done, Air New Zealand.
Qantas.
Oh, very nice. Now, we were talking about this one earlier, so this is their Centennial range, isn't it? Or Centennial Amenity Kit.
100 years.
Now with this one, it actually highlights products from Indigenous beauty brands.
Earplugs, again, important.
Yes, very important. Love a sleeping mask. My only criticism is it feels quite small, don't you think? I mean, pretend it's double the width, but it looks quite little.
It's snug, cute colour.
Yes, very cute.
Like that.
I prefer, if I'm honest, a silk eye mask because I feel like it sort of is a bit more like delicate around the eye area. They've redeemed themselves with the socks.
And they're so soft.
Really nice.
Not quite as well shaped as the Air New Zealand ones.
No,
but
maybe you could pop it on your hands. Your hands get cut.
I don't know. Puppets.
Yeah, you've got children and keep them entertained.
Good job, Qantas.
Nice little selection there. And I feel like this is a lovely bag to take with you home as well. Like it's quite a good size. You can easily put your toiletries in there for later.
Final destination. I'm excited about this one.
Okay, me too.
Because I actually remember flying with Fiji Airways when I was a young traveller.
Okay.
And they have the cutest kids bag.
Oh, that is super cute.
I actually cannot stand it.
Oh my gosh, okay, we have a book, and some stickers, and a puzzle. Oh, that's really cute.
It's actually very impressive. We have the amenity kits.
Okay, so what's the difference? We've got a brown one and a black one.
They're the exact same.
Okay.
Yep, just different colours.
Great. Now I already know what's going to be in here, and it is one of my favourite beauty brands, Pure Fiji. Hand sanitizer, so important. I don't know about you, Sarah, but I always have sanitizer with me these days. A body lotion with their signature noni scent. Now the scent is actually quite polarizing. I don't know if you've smelt it before, have you?
No,
it's beautifully hydrating, but it's sort of not as highly fragrant as some of the other scents. I know that they use a lot of like frangipani and stuff in their formulations. Still lovely.
Oh, it is quite tropical.
Yes, it is.
Yeah, I quite like that.
Yeah, cute. Double strap, that's quite good actually.
Double strap's good.
Very handy. More socks. Again with no heel, but that's okay.
It's all right.
Yeah. Toothbrush and toothpaste and earplugs.
Probably not as sturdy as the other two in terms of it's quite a snug bag.
Yes.
But better if you want something smaller. That is our Pacific range.
Great.